Hey, I'm Andrew, and this is my bike check for the Sunday Funday. I have the Sunday Funday frame, Aaron Ross space bars. They have all the specs on them. If you can read that, I don't know. Stolen money grips, pink. Some stolen plastic pivotal seat, I don't know what it's called. Primo Annihilator, sprocket, mechanic chain, half link. Nitrous single shot rear wheel, nitrous single shot front wheel, Sunday morning fork with some aftermarket Rockstar stickers. You gotta love Rockstar, right? And then I put the pink stickers on instead of the orange ones that came with it. I also have Odyssey twisted PC pedals, Eastern, I don't even remember what they're called. They're crappy cranks though. They keep falling off on me. Don't buy Eastern cranks. Buy like Primo or something. Odyssey Elementary V3 stem. It's a great stem actually. And then just a Sunday watermelon green seat clamp. Alright, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just comment and I'll get back. Alright, bye.